Hello, my name is Chad Smith, Principal Solutions Architect for IQGeo. In this short video, I'll review how coaxial networks can be documented and reported on within MDUs. Using Network Manager Telecom, organizations can configure and document any level of MDU detail they require, including floors, rooms, suites, riser cabling, and equipment placement with splice and port connectivity. This capability is available online or offline on any mobile device and can be easily searched for, navigated to, and reported on through the user interface. In this demonstration, I'll begin by using the one-box search to navigate to an HFC node boundary that contains a multi-story residential MDU. Next, I'll navigate to the optical node related to the node boundary via hyperlink and see it displayed within the hierarchical MDU layout in the Network Manager Telecom Details pane. Once selected, we can see the optical node in the basement telecom room alongside a splice closure used to receive the fiber cabling entering the building to distribute the fiber strands to our optical node. We can also expand strands and ports in this hierarchical view to see any related HFC circuit information. At the bottom of the details pane, we also see the cable tree view that lists all internal cabling associated with this MDU, before then expanding and reviewing each floor of the MDU to see the individual customer units and the taps and tap conditioners that are located on each floor's stairwells in this example. Through the user interface, I can view the properties on any individual equipment or MDU unit in the building before running an exportable equipment report for the entire building. Next, I will dynamically render a high-level structure schematic view of the cabling, equipment, and connectivity contained in this residential MDU. The equipment and cable information displayed on mouse over in the schematic layout is configurable by the end user's organization. I will next perform an upstream fiber trace from the receive port on the optical node with the schematic pane open, which will dynamically render a fiber trace schematic back to our serving OLT from our node. Lastly, I will use the back arrow in the details pane to navigate back to our node and run a downstream trace on a coaxial output, which then renders the coaxial network trace schematic from within the MDU with tap port levels displayed at mouse over. In summary, IQGeo's Network Manager Telecom enables organizations to document any level of MDU detail required while using a hierarchical network model. This architecture model supports building structure modeling, riser and drop cabling, equipment placement with splice and port connectivity, circuit reservation details, and then can be easily searched for, navigated to, and reported on while online or offline on any mobile device.